Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video I am showing you a new programming language called Onyx programming. If you search Onyx, then you will probably not get as it's a very new language, so you have to search with programming language. So after search with programming language, Onyx programming language, then you will get this URL and visit here. And this is the new programming language. You can see they have a beautiful website. You can see language features. This is the installation command. We will check out this. First let us check the language. Language features, syntax. Okay, this is the this is language. This is the syntax of language. Onyx uses a modernized C-like syntax similar to Jai or Odin. Onyx is a procedural language, but does allow for functional inspired syntax using the pipe word. Okay, it's also type safe. All low-level languages are type safe. Okay. Fast compilation. They use C program. Their compiler written with C. It's WebAssembly. Next, compile similarly to WebAssembly. You can use a built-in WebAssembly runtime using Onyx Run. Okay. This is the code. We will run it and check how it works. C-shape, and it have a community. You can check out. Let's try how it can be installed. Can first copy this, okay, and let's run. Okay, it's asking for was more industry standard runtime, very fast. You will use fast one. Okay, let's try it. Fast one. Enter. Downloading. Let's wait until it's download. It's still in beta version, not fully released. We are just checking how it's look like. Okay, it's installed, done. Saying that check error, but the variable is not set. Please set this to the location. Successfully installed successfully. Will be available next time when you open the terminal. Okay, let's try next and see it's working. Okay. User documentation. Let's first copy these two lines, paste it here. Okay, now done, and see the version. It's we just update. Okay, now let's type run hello world. Okay, first write hello world code. Run it in code editor. Write a folder and then let's copy some code. Just copy this one, paste here. Open your terminal, run. Let's try this. can see printing hello world. Compile, let's try compiler. Compile and now run compiler file. It's generating hello world. You can also change anything, save and run. It's working. Thanks for watching this video. It was I am not Onyx programmer. I am just exploring new programming language video. Thanks for watching this video. I will come back with another video in future. Please subscribe my channel, and please forgive me if my voice is very bad. I will try to fix in future. Thank you. Bye bye.